Do you want an article, a note, or a copy for social media to write itself? Can't find a photo that captures exactly what you need to say? Or do you have to transcribe an audio, but it's difficult to understand everything it says and write it down? In that case, you need to use artificial intelligence. We are currently in the age of artificial intelligence. Now, our day-to-day can be much easier if we start using tools that do the work for us, or at least help us to do it. And OpenAI is a company that offers many very interesting options. If you want to discover everything it can offer to you, keep watching. Let's start reviewing them. GPT is short for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, a language model developed by the brand OpenAI. This is a nonprofit company founded by Elon Musk and Sam Altman that works in development and research of AI with a beneficial approach for the whole of humanity, which is known as friendly artificial intelligence. There are several different applications for GPT, but one of the most popular is its use as a chatbot. It can answer questions in a similar way to a human. This is accomplished through GPT's ability to understand the context of a conversation and generate a coherent response. In addition, it can be expressed in a natural way and with very exact information, which makes it very difficult for a human to distinguish that the text has been generated by AI. What is GPT technology? GPT technology is composed of a large neural network trained to choose the correct words from its database in order to order them properly in the context of a sentence. This in turn makes them capable of creating entirely new text. To carry out this selection, GPT technology uses statistical methods. And in addition, this AI is also capable of understanding human language, being able to reproduce argumentation patterns and thought processes. And what about GPT-4? GPT-4 artificial intelligence is the latest model of GPT technology. It has been developed by OpenAI, which has previously released GPT-2 in 2019 and GPT-3 in 2020. Therefore, we can say that the GPT-4 is the fourth evolution of this technology. The main difference between GPT-3 and GPT-4 artificial intelligence is that the former uses 175 million learning parameters, while the latter uses around 100 billion. This makes version 4 much closer to the neural connections of the human brain and is capable of analyzing and collecting more data, being able to more faithfully imitate the language of people. Until now, GPT-3 has been used in the business world in these areas: to create inbound marketing content. Many tools have been created to create text. An example is the Copy AI tool. To also edit inbound marketing content. This way, editors can check the plagiarism of their pieces and prevent their positioning from being harmed. Chibi AI is an example of a tool with this function. To help inspire professionals. Texta acts as a writing assistant, generating ideas and inspiration from a single word. What else does the OpenAI company offer? These three functions are available right now on their website. ChatGPT. With this tool, you can create text of all kinds from very simple commands. You can write articles, scripts, poems, instructions, recipes, answer questions, and anything else you can imagine. Dall-e 2. This AI system can create realistic images and art from a simple description. You can combine different concepts, attributes, and styles to create the image that you ask for. It is also capable of expanding existing images and thus discovering what could be behind one of the best-known paintings, for example. You can even do image tweaks like removing elements, reflections, or adding textures without the editing being noticeable. You can also create different variations of the same image to see it in different styles or perspectives. Whisper. This other function allows you to generate very precise transcriptions of sounds. It is an automatic speech recognition system capable of generating audio transcriptions in a multitude of languages, accents, and sounds. I hope you have learned about artificial intelligence and that you start using it from now on. It is for sure one of the newest and most important trends right now, and they will grow even more in the following years, so don't miss a chance to become an expert from now on. Make sure you give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for following us, and we'll see you in the next video.